score is 56.13. And result of the post-test, mean experimental, bigger mean control, 76.62, bigger 56.13. Some students' vocabulary achievement in the control group was still below the standard of minimum completeness of mastery learning. The students' vocabulary achievement in the experimental group was above the standard of minimum completeness of mastery learning. And then students' vocabulary achievement after being taught through the modified English word scheme based on contextual teaching learning approach and English word scheme. Statistically significant difference, t-value which is higher than t-table, 11.217 bigger 2000. The significance level of less than 0.000 bigger 0.05. It indicates that the vocabulary teaching strategy is one of the factors which affect the student's vocabulary achievement. And then normal gain of experimental, bigger normal gain of control in verb, adverb, noun, and adjective. Noun have the highest gain than the others. It may be due to the frequently used verb to construct the sentences. And normal gain of experimental, bigger normal gain of control in verbs. It may be due to the focus of the students who were taught with the English word scheme was to do the tasks which were easy and they were able to. The focus of the students who were taught the modified English word scheme based on contextual teaching approach was to do all the tasks together in a group. Students' perception and vocabulary class through the CTL-based English word scheme. Yeah, there are 10 questions. The question number 1 until number 10 on student perception, and the mean score of positive answer is 94, and the mean of negative answer is 6. Now we come to discussion. Result of this research. The first one is students' vocabulary achievement and student perception. Yeah, the difference in vocabulary achievement between students in experimental class and control class. English word scheme, there is a statistically significant difference. The both classes were improved. Some previous researches and the problem result of the control. No interaction for having input. Scarella on 1994, Johnson on 2012 need to be contextual. In experimental class, students' vocabulary improved. Based on McCarthy on 1990, argues that a word learned in a meaningful context is best assimilated and remembered. In control class, students could fill the table, but they tend to forget the vocabulary easily. Based on Scarella on 1994, in Alizada on 2016, observed that while the contextualized learning word list may help students memorize vocabulary for tests, students are likely to rapidly forget words memorized from lists. And then the student perception in vocabulary class through the English word scheme based on CTL approach and the English word scheme. The students who were taught by using the modified English word scheme based on contextual teaching learning approach were more actively engaged in the vocabulary class than the students who were taught by using the English word scheme. It indicates that the use of modified English word scheme based on contextual teaching learning approach in teaching vocabulary is regarded as being more effective to encourage students to be involved in the process of teaching learning activities than the use of English word scheme. And the suggestion for the teacher, it is suggested to apply the CTL-based English word scheme in the class to enhance the student vocabulary achievement. And suggestion for further teacher, it is suggested to conduct the CTL-based English word scheme with a clear instruction, though it tends to make students being noisy in class. Yeah, that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.